Hello guys, it's crypto updates. Today's video I'm going to show you how you're going to register in this particular platform called Bittoken. So if you click the link in the description, it will load you to this page where you enter your phone name, enter your email address. This code will automatically appear when you click the link. Then you can choose your country here. Then you can solve this particular math problem. Then you enter the answer right here. Then you can now click on this place that says sign up. So this is how to register on this particular platform. And when you're dealing with airdrop, you know that we don't actually know the person behind this airdrop. We don't actually know those that are behind this airdrop. So, and you also know that crypto rewards those that are patient and consistent. So I would suggest you jump into this mining. Start mining and accumulating the token as much as you can, so that when it is being listed, you can also exchange it to USDT. This is actually simple. You can follow this step. When you want to log in, then we enter your email, solve the math, you click on login. As simple as that. So right here in this page, you will see this particular interface where it will show the level you are, which is the first thing you will see. You can see here, this is diamond 2. So it will show the level and show the amount of this rep coin you have accumulated and the amount you accumulate every 2 hours. So you can see here that says claim. You are going to be clicking on it on every 2 hours. So you can see here that says claim. So when you click on it, it will pop up. Then you have here that says confirm claim or watch ad to get ×2 of what you're about to claim. You can see it right here. So for the sake of this video, I will just confirm claim so that we can proceed and navigate to the next thing. As you can see, it is successful. You can see right here. So you click on OK. That is all about that one. So you can see you have 2 hours to come back here to claim another ROP point. So you need to stay active on that. So let's see another thing here. Let's click on profile. Let me show you how you can edit your profile with your next of king. So when you come up with this page, you are going to click on here that says view/edit. You can see it right here, view/edit. So you click on it, then you can see here it says next of king. You can click on edit, then you can enter your next of king full name, email address, phone number, and you click on update details. As simple as that. You can see right here, this is full name, this is phone number, you can see here, this is email address, then you click on update. This is how to update the name of your next of king. You can put it right here, and you can also download the app so that it will make it easier for you to do the tasks. So if you like what I'm doing in this channel, you can do well to hit the like button and also comment your thoughts on this video, and don't forget to also subscribe to this channel. It will make it easier for you to get notified whenever I post a new video. YouTube will actually notify you. So when you click here that says team, here you can also get your referral link. You can see here, you can click on copy. When you click here that says copy, you will get this link. That is your referral link. You can share it out. You can also get bonus. You can also get some ROP coin or some ROP Bittoken from the people you refer. So this is also another means of earning from this particular platform. So let me show you another means of earning apart from claiming the one you mine or referring. When you go to this here that says aim, let me click on it. Okay, you can see here that says special. You can see this page here. You can also do tags, clicking on special or view yard or like and comment or subscribe, follow, join, watch ad. Any of these that is available, the one that is available, you can do them and also get this Bittoken. You can see the one I've done. All this one are the one I have done. You can see the one I've done here. It is very simple. You can just follow the steps when you click on it. And when you click, follow the steps follow what is showing you, what that pops up. You can follow the step, then you get them claim, as you can see. So let me show you another thing by clicking on my wallet. Let me show you another thing. Let's see what this coin is going to bring about, what we are going to be paid at the end of the day. And remember, this is what they said in this particular place. So you can see they said 1 BTT equals 0.5. Currently I'm having $100 worth of this coin. This, remember this, they call it listing, at listing. So remember, this might change, this might reduce, they might reduce it when they are listing, or they might increase it. So let's just not hope on this. They just continue claiming this particular Bittoken. Edit your profile. Make sure you click on edit your profile. Edit your profile. Enter your email, both your Telegram username and the rest of it that follows it before doing any tax, so that they can quickly verify it and give you the ROP coin. So do it. Don't forget to join my WhatsApp group. It is very important. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will actually notify you whenever I post a new update in future. So see you next other time. Thanks for watching.